Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So I was actually doing a picture, and then when I got this beautiful skyline, I was like, oh, I'm going to do my intro right here because look how beautiful the sky is. It's so pretty. So listen, if this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And today we are doing this cute fried egg badge reel, and it's got a little avocado there. I thought that I had a little toast somewhere I was looking for. I was going to put a little toast on it also, but I couldn't find it. But I did the little sparkle jewel in the middle of the badge reel there, and this fried egg is so cute. So I'm excited. I did this with UV resin as opposed to epoxy, which is really cool. So it only took me about 15 minutes and I'm totally digging it. So listen, I hope you like it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit subscribe. And then stay tuned and we will make this. Bye, friends. All right, so how cute is this? This is an egg. Now this fried egg mold came from AliExpress. I have seen them on Amazon. I'll look and see if I can find them. I'm really bad about remembering to link stuff. You know, I think my days are just so busy that I get so bad about linking stuff, and I'm so sorry. I try hard to remember, but I will see if I can find this on Amazon. So super cute. I am going to use this glitter chip. It's called Mellow Yellow. And this one is Sugar, and they're both a fine glitter. And I am, of course, going to use my Resin Rockers hard type UV resin. And I got a couple little containers here, and I got a couple toothpicks if I need them. And then I got my light. My light came from Amazon. So I'm going to start with my yellow. So I'm just going to put some UV resin in here. Now, you don't want your UV resin to be too thick. So I'm going to do this in, a couple little layers. Just put some yellow in there and stir it all around. So this, if you haven't seen any of my videos since I've been using this particular resin, this resin is just phenomenal. So this gets hard like epoxy. Like, it's truly, truly so nice. Oh, let me get that off there. I don't want that on there. Probably a little bit more full than I'd like it to be, but let's see how it does. We'll put it under for about 4 minutes. Just gonna get rid of this little bit I got there where I didn't need it to be. think that this is going to be super cute. All right, so now we'll pull this out. So this is a little, I mean, you can see, because again, it was deep and I put too much to begin with, but not bad. So I'll just put it back in this way and let it get, you know, let it get a little bit more hard. And then this one, I'm gonna make it actually into a badge reel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take some of this out of here that didn't get all the way down in there, didn't get any UV, and I'm gonna put it in here so I don't have to make any more up. So if you want to make like the little jewel inside your badge reel, it's just UV resin and the glitter. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I probably should, but I think I got the whole thing full. And then, no sense waste any of this. All right, and put some on here. And I'll put this guy on here. Now I'm gonna hold it first for just a second because I don't want it to slide around too much. I want it to be even, and then I'll set it down. All right, so we'll let that sit under for a few minutes and then we'll come back. So cute. I'm gonna let it sit under a little bit longer, but I'm thinking that I'd also like a little avocado on here. All right, and here is our badge reel. Little fried egg. It turned out super, super cute. And I'm excited that I was able to do this with UV resin. Of course, you know, with the deep well, if I probably shouldn't have done it as thick as I did to begin, and this wouldn't have been wet. However, it turned out fine because it got mostly hard and I was able to just pull it out and put it under. So I like being able to do this. It's so much quicker. Like you can do this in, you know, 15 minutes as opposed to having to wait with epoxy for it to dry and then go back, add your next color and let it dry. So this is really fun, turned out super, super cute, and it is my fried egg and avocado badge reel. All right, well, listen, friends, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. I hope you like the video, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend, and we'll see you later. Bye.